Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe and welcome back to yet another travel vlog. This time we're going to Solan. It's a small town in Himachal Pradesh and I've actually been there before once. दिल्ली में वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, so I hope वहाँ पे तो weather अच्छा होगा. It's a chill staycation. Honestly, why do you even need a reason to have a vacation? हमें बस मस्त relax करना है, views enjoy करना है, nature के मजे लेने हैं. So that's what we're going to Solan for. And this time it's going to be a luxe vacation because I'm staying at ITC. More details about that later. But anyway, so Solan is about 6-7 hours from Delhi and hopefully हम 12-1 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे. It's currently 6:30. We leave in another 10-15 minutes. So yeah, let's get the road trip started. Okay, here's a little road trip fit check. Very comfy and cute. Now, of course, no road trip is complete without having some garam garam parathe for breakfast. And what place better than Dharam Paji's Dhaba? काफी अच्छे थे ये. Now it's time to hit the road again. So to reach this hotel, there are 2-3 different routes that you can take, but the one we took turned out to be a little jungle safari for us. बहुत ही उबड़-खाबड़ रास्ता था, but somehow we finally made it to our resort. We're staying at Fortune Select Forest Hill Resort by ITC. Hey guys, so we finally made it to our hotel and it was a long 8-hour drive. हम जिस रास्ते से आए थे वो उतना भी अच्छा नहीं. There were a lot of turns, काफी patchy भी था, but anyway we made it here and look at the view behind me. It's amazing. हमने family room लिया है, just 2 rooms connected. So let me give you a room tour, of course. So let's enter the room. First up entry पे we have a full length mirror for all the fit checks. Next this side पे we have the wardrobe, काफी spacious. Now here is the washroom. Okay, pretty good, big in size as well. Shower area यहाँ पे है. Now comes the main room. First off, we have the study area, sitting desk, another mirror. Then we have the bed. Looks pretty comfortable. It's a king size bed. Then we have one seating area, another seating area. We have the TV unit. This is the door to the connected room. I'll show it to you in a bit. But yes, as you go ahead, यहाँ पे है हमारी प्राइवेट बालकनी. दिस इज वेयर आई स्टार्टेड द व्लॉग. यहाँ पे वी हैव द एंटायर बालकनी टू आवरसेल्व्स व्हिच इज ग्रेट. एंड दिस इज द कनेक्टेड रूम. इट्स क्वाइट सिमिलर, बस थोड़ा सा सेटिंग इज डिफरेंट. द बेड, सीटिंग एरिया, द वार्डरोब, द वर्क स्टेशन, एंड हियर्स द टीवी यूनिट ऑपोजिट टू द बेड विद सम मोर सीटिंग एरिया. एंड बिकॉज वी बुक द फैमिली रूम तो सेम बालकनी है बेसिकली. एंड देयर सम सीटिंग एरिया आउटसाइड टू विद द ब्यूटिफुल व्यू. So we're all freshened up now and now we're going to explore this beautiful property. I'm right here at the place where high tea happens and the view of course is amazing. So the first thing we saw was their restaurant. Basically you can come here for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and that's where the buffet is also served. Then this is the main lawn. This is the central part of the property. This is their bar and lounge area which oversees the pool and of course the mountains. This is the gym. It's small but it has all the basic equipments that you will need. Now let's go to their pool. So this is their infinity pool and of course we had to do some swimming because this is the most fun part of a vacation, right? Do you know how to swim? Let me know in the comments. Done with a good 30-minute swim session now. Let's go for the high tea of our hotel. So this comes complimentary with your stay and there are literally so many options of savory and sweet items and of course the chai or coffee. This is also the time where they've organized games for us that you can participate in just for fun. So of course we had to try it out too. Now it's time to enjoy the natural beauty and our hotel has this stairway to heaven, so let's check it out. Being amidst nature just gives you this different sense of peace and tranquility, which I absolutely love. So, after enjoying the beautiful sunset from this viewpoint, we came back to our room just to chill. There's this series we've been binge watching, so we watched that as well. And now, let's enjoy the night beauty of Solan. नाइट व्यूज फ्रॉम आवर होटल आईपीएल की स्क्रीनिंग बट मैच ही कैंसिल हो गया बिकॉज बारिश Now it's time to enjoy our dinner buffet. Although the high tea was quite filling, but now we are here for dinner. Of course, the buffet had literally so many options to choose from, right from salads to the papads and appetizers to the main course, and of course, my favorite dessert. They also had a live count of a Mongolian food. That was quite interesting. We tried something new, so love that. There's also a DJ happening at the bar that I showed you in the morning, but we were just enjoying the peaceful vibes over here. The next day. Hey guys, good morning from Solan. So I had a pretty good sleep yesterday night, and now it's 8 o'clock right now. We're going for a nature trail that's organized by our hotel itself. 8 to 9 rows hota hai ye, and probably they're going to show us the beautiful forest area. The views obviously are already amazing. So हम उसके लिए जा रहे हैं. It's a 1.5 kilometer hike. So let's see how that goes. Weather तो यहाँ का काफी अच्छा है. दिन में it's like pleasant, like धूप तो है ही, लेकिन रात को it gets really nice. लेकिन दिल्ली से तो बहुत ज़्यादा better है, and plus the air quality is so amazing. तो चलो let's go on this nature trail and let's see क्या होने वाला है. Okay, so for context, I think this is the first time I've ever done like a proper hike, and it was a really good experience. मतलब काफी डर भी लगता है बीच-बीच में because it got really steep somewhere. The rocks were not supportive at all, but I really enjoyed the process of it, especially being amidst nature. So we're on the nature trail right now, and so far so good. रास्ते तो बहुत ही पतले हैं. It gets steep somewhere. There's a lot of dry grass here. तो बहुत slippery भी हो रहा है, but a lot of people actually went back to the hotel. हम थोड़ा और आगे जा रहे हैं because अभी आधा घंटा और है. So yeah, let's see where this route takes us. काफी pretty है. पूरे forest में you're like walking. Look at the trees around you, the fresh air, and धूप है तो अच्छा भी लग रहा है. It's not bad at all. So yeah, let's go. And finally, we made it to the viewpoint. Look at how pretty this is, and it was definitely worth the climb. सो अपेरेंटली यहाँ से चंडीगढ़ भी दिख जाता है, बट अभी फॉरेस्ट में आग लगी है, सो इट्स वेरी फॉगी एज यू कैन सी. ज़्यादा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, बट या द वाइब इज अमेजिंग. ओके, सो ट्रैक से तो हम आ गए हैं वापस, एंड वी टुक अ ब्रेक ऑल्सो फॉर अ बिट, बट काफ़ी मज़ेदार ट्रैक था. जो रास्ता वाज रियली स्कैरी, बट वी मेड इट टू द टॉप. अमेजिंग अमेजिंग व्यूज़. अब हम फाइनली ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं, अ वेल डिजर्व ब्रेकफास्ट आफ्टर दिस ट्रैक. सो लेट्स गो. तो मस्त बुफे ब्रेकफास्ट करके हम आ गए हैं होटल के गेम्स रूम में. सो यहाँ पे 2-3 चीज़ें हमारे लिए थी करने के लिए, द फूसबॉल, कैरम बोर्ड एंड टेबल टेनिस एज वेल. तो हमने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा टाइम पास कर लिया, एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू स्विमिंग वंस अगेन बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट यार. वैसे दिल्ली में तो पूल है नहीं इतना इजिली एक्सेसिबल, सो वी गॉट टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट एट आवर होटल. ब्यूटिफुल व्यूज एट दिस इन्फिनिटी पूल, और क्या ही चाहिए वैकेशन में. So after that fun swimming session, I'm all ready, and we were just roaming around the property, and oh my god, इतनी तेज हवा चल रही थी, इतना मस्त weather हो गया था. I can't even tell you. Just hear the sound of the wind once. So we came back to our hotel room, and I guess there was another guest waiting for us right outside in our balcony. Now it's time for our high tea. So lunch we altogether skipped because it was absolutely not necessary. The breakfast is quite good enough. Then we had high tea. यहाँ पे हमने पकोड़े वगैरह खाए. फिर वापस we came to the games room. थोड़ा सा TT खेला हमने. And then we went back to our hotel room. Binge watched our series with this beautiful view and weather. Now it's time for dinner again. Trust me, the high tea is already so filling that मेरा तो मन भी नहीं कर रहा था dinner का. But we had a fixed menu. They served us all the things on our table itself. itself. So I had a little bit of that, and this mango cheesecake dessert was so good. ये थी बाहर की vibe in the lawn.
The next day.
We had breakfast, kept it super light, and then I also spotted a chameleon in our hotel. And with that, our beautiful staycation, interstate staycation, comes to an end. This property is definitely beautiful, and the quality of service of ITC is obviously amazing. So हमें तो काफी ज़्यादा मजा आया. It was a very chill, relaxing vacation. That's exactly what we wanted. Literally, तुमने vlog में देख ही लिया. We literally eaten so much food. We swim so much, and बस हमने chill करा है. And that's the best part of this trip. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So if you made it till here, then comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be going on an international trip really soon. Guess what location I'm going to? And stay tuned for the travel vlogs.